After a 7-hour flight from the US to Glasgow and a 5-hour train trip from Glasgow to my leg, we started the TGO this morning. I met up with Bigfoot and Black Alashan, Plug It In, and Matt and Joe from Z-Packs, and we are out here in the Highlands. As you can see behind me, it's absolutely gorgeous. I actually have not felt like saying a lot. I'm just kind of taking it all in, taking all the beauty of the Highlands in. It's super wet, soggy. This morning when we left the hostel and signed in, it was raining. We went down, dipped our foot in the bay, so we dipped our foot in the west coast, and we're gonna hike all the way across the country and hopefully be dipping our foot in the east coast. We got about a 15-mile day today, kind of drudging through these just beautiful mountains, as you can see behind me, but it's starting to get kind of gray. We think it's gonna rain again. It's Scotland. It's probably gonna rain every single day that I'm here, but just gorgeous. I'll try to give you guys as many views as I possibly can.
Take a nap. I think taking a nap sounds like a good idea.
Naps are always awesome.
Trail naps.
Here at the end of day 2 on the TGO challenge, and today was totally polar opposite from yesterday. Totally different terrain. We didn't have to bushwhack really any today. No big hills to climb, swampy, muddy crap that we had yesterday. Pretty clear trail, and then actually a lot of road walking. Ended up doing about, I think, 18 or 19 miles to this really cool spot next to this big, beautiful lake with waves and boats on it and an amazing sunset and mountains all around it. Just gorgeous. Scotland is definitely beautiful. Tomorrow morning we're going to be getting up, and we got about 18 miles to a little town. I can't quite remember the name of it. We're going to be staying at the Ben Nevis Inn, which is at the base or maybe at the top. Don't know. Of Ben Nevis, which is a pretty big mountain. And we're going to be resupplying, staying there for the night. Hopefully hitting up a pub and getting a pint of beer and some good grub. And then the next day we'll be headed back into the Highlands and continuing the challenge. Couldn't have asked for a better day, couldn't have asked for better weather, and couldn't have asked for a better camp spot.